Hey guys, today we'll be working on the 510. We're gonna measure out some pieces that need to be cut and then start working on trying to cut out the original floor plans. And we have some goodies as well. These are for the rear seats because my rear seats have big old holes in them. Thanks to whoever commented that they're for sale on 510 Realm, I believe, or Datsun. It took a while, and very sketch. You just email someone. It wasn't really a website, but as you can see, this is no-go. So yeah, and then hopefully, don't know where my floor plans are. It's been here a while, but so those guys will be going into the car eventually. So we cut the seat bracket off, and then we're gonna start dropping the pan. Kind of looks like it's still on this side.
You got a fire extinguisher?
Disaster averted.
No more drama.
We kissed a fuel line with the plasma cutter.
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
And Sean was like so calm, like, "Hey, you got a fire extinguisher?" I was like, "What?"
Where were we before we set ourselves on fire? That's most of it. Now we just gotta drill out the spot welds where it connects to the frame rail here.
Alright.
And then we can lift like the whole pan up.
There we go.
What floor pan?
Dang, look at that. I have no floors.
Flintstone edition.
I know, right? How many horsepower do you think that is? With a full car?
A third.
Alright, so test fitting the new panel. What do you think, Sean?
Lines up pretty good. Fits nice. It's a good replacement part.
Yep.
Now just everything else.
Now the hard part. Hey, so then today we'll be hitting this with a wire brush, cleaning it up, and then spraying it with some blow-through primer, and then trying to take this off, and then just trying to clean this side right here.
Okay, what are you doing now?
I'm spraying weld-through primer.
Okay.
And so I tried to hit it as best as I can with the wire brush. And so I got this, pretty much all around the corner. But,
man.
Well, that part is being replaced. But
Looks like you got some fun in here.
It looks like a Flintstone car.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. Here you go. Primer.
Hey, I got a roll cage. So I'm gonna be cutting this side, and then not this way. Sean's working on this side, replacing that lower A-arm, and then pulling back the rocker.
Because I noticed this has like a drop
Uh-huh.
where yours doesn't.
Oh, that's weird.
So that would be something that you would have to make up for either in metal work to make that match both sides.
Uh-huh.
But that was another reason why I was just going to take it off basically right at that crease. And then that way it just line up nice and clean.
Dang. This is wild. It wasn't even on there, huh?
There's the hinge reinforcement bracket transferred over.
Nice. I got a rocker now. And an A-arm.
A little bit of fitting. Ah.
Getting the floors patched in. And it is kind of nice to have a floor. Well, half of a floor.
You're getting there.
Yeah. So front seat brace, and then this is the back. This sits down like right here. Half of a car. This side, everything is pretty much mocked up. Gotta wait for the inner rocker panel right here. We're just gonna replace this whole thing since it's all beat up. So we bought this inner rocker panel so we can replace it. It's green also. It's gonna be nice. So we're gonna pop this off, cut this. Yeah, doing this.
The camera. Remember to run the camera is the hardest part now.
I always forget, but Sean cut this up. Now lining it up. And I'll be working on the inside, so the seat in the back. So the panels are traced out. I'm gonna cut this with a plasma cutter. We've got sandpaper in case to clean off the metal to make the plasma cutter cut better. Want some grated cheese?
Not much weight savings there.
Hey, so we're pretty much almost done with the 4 pans. So we've done the inner rocker, we've done the outer rocker, we've cut out the rear seats. So pretty much all we have to do is re-weld that back in. Add the panel part right here. The passenger floor is in. This brace is in. We pretty much just got to bolt the seat on, make sure that we're sitting straight. The 4 braces on there as well, and then as you can see, the outer rocker is done as well on the passenger side. So then we're just gonna have to line everything up, and pretty much maybe like 2-3 more weekends. But we're just gonna close out this video because I know people have been asking for the YouTube video.
How long has this whole process been? It's been like over a month.
It's about 6 weekends.
Yeah, so this whole video was like 6 weekends.
Yeah. And
we didn't get this done all in one day.
Yeah, we also kind of had to like take breaks and stuff like that. You know, with summer, life events, camping, going downtown.
So you guys saw the process for the passenger side. The driver's side is pretty much the same thing. So I guess that's it for this video, huh?